Ngayon naman po, sa pagitan po ng BFP, meron po silang winning formula. Panoorin po natin si Marlon Adolfo at Gilbert Malabanan.
Adolfo, long three!
Yes! Umararo. Could have been fouled there.
Last season, bigla ang paglakas ng BFP Firefighters sa pagpasok ni Marlon Adolfo.
Good start. Kaya niya meron lahat ng tao nandiyan. Matala.
At ngayong Season 5, mas naging palaban palalo ang kupunan sa pagkaragdag ni Gilbert Malabanan.
Jet, Malabanan. Sidestep.
Ang moving forwards ng BFP Firefighters.
Adolfo playing superb basketball.
Lumakas ang pwersa ng BFP sa pagkakaroon ng dalawang forwards na nakakatakbo. May inside and outside game. May depensa at very versatile sa bawat game.
Ito, still ball moment. There's a good shot by Adolfo.
Kaya naman this season, very powerful ang koponan ng Firefighters dahil sa ambag ng kanilang moving forwards. Di lang basta galing, kundi maaasahan din ang moving forward sa leadership at intensity.
Hindi masaya pala yung naman. Malabanan! No! Wrong angle! Pinilit, Lim sends it to Adolfo. Yes, sir! Kailangan sabayan mo. Malabanan! Si Malabanan at saka si Adolfo, magandang kombinasyon niya. Si Gilbert, dating pro. Magaling din na amateur dati yan. Si Marlon Adolfo naman, FEU pa lang yan. Very, very strong two-way player. So, I would give the edge to the BFP in that particular duel matchup. Umaga, circle sa labanan. Full throttle than anything else actually. Adolfo, wow!
I hope JJ has to keep up the good work next round para masustain namin yung winning form namin.
Is thrown away. Malabanan with a good
Scorer to break. Adolfo.
Firefighters moving forwards, Adolfo at Malabanan.
nila.
Kasi yun ang sukatan.
Technical sergeants. So, Numang rushing.
Galing.
Is good at spin.
Ang winning formula ng BFP ngayong UNTV Cup Season 5.
Yes.
Ay, pasa. Umararo. Could have been fouled there.